This video will guide you how do you sync the products you designed on POPCUSTOMS to your Etsy store. Firstly, please make sure you have opened an Etsy store. Then, please register a free account on POPCUSTOMS. Let's log in the account and click Products to pick the product you want to sell. Let's take L-Zipper purse as an example. Click Start Designing to upload an image with required pixel. Click Save when you are satisfied with the mockup. Click Product Detail page. Here you can modify the title, description, and SKU. Click Sync to Store. Choose the Etsy store you have added before on POPCUSTOMS. And choose Category as well as Shipping Profile. If you haven't added store, please click Stores in the left column to authorize your store to POPCUSTOMS. You can also refer to the integration tutorial video in our Help Center. If you haven't added Shipping Profile, please go to your Etsy store dashboard to set up. Next, click Confirm and check the sync status in Designed Products Management. You can see the status here is inactive. This is the default status we set up. You can click Edit to modify the title, description, SKU and retail price, etc. here as well. Also can go to your store listing draft to modify, and then publish the product for sale. That's it. Give it a try now.